Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, right here, guys, we'll be demonstrating on 2016 right here that we have for F-150. Once you open the hood on your Ford F-150, guys, you're going to see that this is the engine compartment. That's the engine, the battery is on this side, and right here in the corner, guys, this is your fuse box. Right here, the engine fuse box. That's the fuse box that we will need to work in. And when you open it, guys, I took a picture so I can clearly show you now here. You'll be on the front side of the truck here. This is towards the windshield. Let's explain now, guys, okay, which 5 fuses we need to check. But before we start, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, you have at least 3 different kinds of fuses and multiple kinds of relays as well. Those could be really expensive at a parts store, or they could be really hard to find or almost impossible to find in small towns. So I recommend to buy some spare fuses, keep them in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Some of those fuses, you may have them, you may not. The first fuse that we need to check will be known as fuse number 10, guys, okay? So we'll come in that fuse box right here, and if you come in the right row right here, it will be F10 will be the second fuse from bottom to top. 1, 2, that fuse right here. Okay, if you have it, you have that fuse, guys. Now, another fuse that you need to check. Now it really depends again on which configuration, which engine you have, tow package and all that stuff. Another fuse could be fuse number 24. Okay, right here. That fuse 24, you can see the second fuse from top to bottom that you will need to check specifically. Then you will, guys, need to check more fuses, and the next one will be fuse number 33. Okay, it will be that fuse in that row right here on the left side. Okay, you can see the first fuse right here on the left side. In our case, it's a 50 amp fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 37 right here as well. That's for the radiator fan. Okay, and after that you will need to, guys, check one more fuse, which specifically, guys, okay, will be in that fuse panel right here. And this fuse, guys, okay, will be the third fuse. 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, guys, 10 amp fuse right here. You will need to check that 10 amp fuse. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.